Alright, so we're starting off with the newbie drone pack. Let's see here. We got ourselves some nice hex drivers. We got really tiny Phillips. That's a very tiny Phillips, like even smaller than glasses. I guess for like mini whoops, something like that. We got some. I actually needed a new pair of these too. By newbie drone also, obviously. Okay, get in there. And then, here we go. Creme de la creme. Here's this nifty little soldering iron. This is seriously small. Like this is tiny. And I really think this would do pretty good. Like you're out in the you're out flying and something happens and you need to solder something real quick. You hook this up to XT60 and you're off to the races again. This would work pretty darn good. Now, I've yet to try it, but just from the feel and the look, pretty good. And then we got on this side. Okay, yeah, this is okay. Here's the wire for the XT60 connection for the soldering iron. We got. Okay, sweet. We got ourselves a nice flux pen. I can't read Japanese, but it's definitely a flux pen, and it does its job. What we got here? A prop wrench. A ratcheting prop wrench. Nice one at that. Feels good. Oh wow. This actually is. Wow, this is actually quality. This is real quality. I like that. That's nice. We got a pair of tweezers. Says newbie drone on them. Got some solder, tin lead. Says leaded. 2% flux. Okay. It's solder. And we got a little place to hold the soldering iron and a little tiny sponge. All in all, this is actually a pretty sweet kit. Like, it really is a pretty sweet kit. I am not lying. I have nothing going on with newbie drone. Nothing. This is just a sweet kit, man. The hex drivers look quality. Like, I still haven't taken the hex drivers out. Let me take them out. Let me feel them. Let's see. Oh wow, yeah. Oh yeah, these feel good. Yeah, these feel just like my my other ones. These actually feel a lot better because these have like spinnable tops to them, so like you can kind of like ratchet it a little bit. Yeah, I like these. These are nice. These are real nice. There is only 3 of them though. Usually I see 4 in packs, but all in all, this case is really well put together, and I still have to try the soldering iron out, which I'm gonna do. But this is a real well put together case. All right, now time to check out the other soldering iron, the TS100.